Hello guys, today we have Redmi 9 a pen screen and frame. We can't just put a new screen to that frame, we need also to replace the frame. Start by removing the SIM card tray. Now you can detach the frame from the housing. I just wanted to show you that the device is working. Otherwise I won't fix it. There is no need to worry about the back, you can remove it, nothing to be stuck to the back. Alright. Before we start our job, I just wanted to show you that the phone is booting and is working. Alright, now you can remove all the screws. This flex is fingerprint, you have to remove it before you remove the bracket shield. And then we can unplug the battery. After that, remove both flex cables, the screen and the sub board flex cable. Or you can leave it. Now you can go to the bottom, remove all the screws, and then you can remove the loudspeaker shield. You can remove the sub because we are going to remove also the subboard because we are going to transfer to another frame. So all pieces should be transferred to the new. Be careful while you are removing the subboard. We don't need to cut or damage or scratch anything. If you need some heat, you can use the heat gun to do that. Also be careful about the antenna. I didn't remove it because I'm going just to transfer. Remove everything as it is to that one as it is. Right, I just unplugged the antenna from the top. One piece out. Now let's remove the board. Should be removed. There's nothing is stuck on there. Alright, it's also removed. Let's now remove the battery. We have some sticker adhesive to be removed. You can just pull it from the inside. Also remove the other one. We have two. Now the battery has been removed. Alright, this is the new frame, Xiaomi Redmi 9. We have also the ear speaker shield. This is very important, we don't need it. Alright, as always, it's better to test the new LCD before assemble, because we are going to put adhesive. Now we can test and then we can put adhesive. You can put the LCD, the frame, the board, no need the subboard, but we just need to make the device functional and make the screen working so we can test it. Plug the LCD and then you can plug the battery or no. Remove the screen flex. Don't connect the battery. Connect this from this side and then you can plug the battery. Also we need something to power on the device. The pins is under the board, so we need to take the power button from the old. Alright, take it. We need first to heat it because we don't need to damage it. If you scratch it, it could be damaged. So you have to remove it carefully because we are going to fix the device from the pan and to the screen, not to put a new power button. Always you need to have some patience with this work. You can see we took long time to remove it because it's very sensitive, it could be damaged. Now we are going to put it under the board so we can then power on the device and test. I don't know what was I doing. But it seems that I was speaking to somebody and my mind was focusing on him, so I wasn't knowing what was I do. So let's power on the device. We took a long time to do that. Alright. We just need to check the screen and that's it. I don't know the password. Customer didn't told me the password, so I'm going just to guess, or if I don't know it or not. After that, I can press to the emergency and see if the all buttons is touching, and that's it. After that, I'm going to assemble the device, and that's it. As my experience seems everything is perfect, there is no need to make further testing. The screen is working and functional. So let's now just remove the screen, remove the battery, remove the screen, put the glue. Be careful from the ear speaker, the sensors, and what else? Nothing else, and the camera. Also, don't forget to put that ear speaker shield on the position. The camera went off for a few seconds when I do put the adhesive. Now we have the screen. You have to remove both stickers, one to that flex and one to the LCD itself, and then put that flex to the screen. Now, as I told you, we have the adhesive. It's a black adhesive. Be careful from the camera, the ear speaker, and the sensor. After that, we can put the screen on. The screen just fitted on the place without making any problem. Now we need to put all the pieces on that frame. You can now put some adhesive under that flex. We need to remove the sensor from the old frame to the new frame. I'm going also to put adhesive under that flex. Be careful while you are removing the ear speaker. If you go on the middle, you could damage it. So be careful where to put that tweezer. So everything is perfect. Now we still have the vibrator, and that's it. Remove that stickers, put the subboard, put the mainboard, connect the antenna wire and plug it. Make careful the antenna is on its way. Right. Bring the loudspeaker and tighten down the screws. Get the new battery on position. better to put adhesive under it because the battery could be shake on the customer hand, so it should be tight on the frame and not moving. Connect all the flex cables. We forgot the rubber of the camera. We have also to put it there. Alright, we are done now. Just make sure everything is on the place. We have the fingerprint flex cable to press at the last, don't forget about it. Alright, and that's it. You can put all the screws down and that's it. If you have any questions, you can just write it in the comments below. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. We will do something else in the next video. Peace.